You guys ready to get started? You guys ready? Let's go. So let's start our sauce. So for our sauce, let's get our saucepan. And we're gonna put in 1 can of tomato puree. Mm-hmm. 1/4 cup of water. Of olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm just going to use a little fresh squeeze in there. But if you use the jar kind, that's fine. All right, got our lemon juice. So now we are going to work on our dough. Hold it. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
So turn this on. Hold on. Hold on. Wait, no. I meant the dough.
Yes.
Bingo numbers, here we go. In 43. In 43. B1. B1.
Yes.
In 33. In 33.
Nope.
068. 068. G57. G57. Don't forget about that free square in the middle.
Ooh, yes.
B3. B3. G52. G52.
Now.
Nope.
074.
Bingo.
Oh, okay, tell me what you got. You have 074. What else?
I got G57, 3 space, I28, and B1.
Yay! So you are the winner. Surprises. And guess what? My oven just went off. I think our pizza is probably done. So go check on your pizzas.
My pizza was beautiful.
So I hope you guys have fun, and I hope you enjoy your pizza. Share with your siblings.
Never.
Never? Okay.
Never.
Well, that's between you and them. But I enjoy spending time with you guys. Congratulations, Zara, and I will see you all next week. Have an awesome week.